Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm trying out the brand new mascara from Lancome, and I did get this in PR. I got a really nice PR package actually, which I'm so happy about. So I have a primer, I have the old mascara, the new one, and then bifacial, which is my favourite eye makeup remover of all time. And it's supposed to make eyelashes look exactly like this model on here. So we're going to see what it looks like, but it says it's new and improved. It's a Hypnose Drama mascara, our biggest ever volume, up to 17 times more volume after 2 coats. Now, if you've been a follower for a very long time, you'll know that about 6 or 7 years ago, I tried out the original Hypnose Drama mascara, and I bought that with my own money, and I did not like it because after a couple of weeks it just clumped and I couldn't use it again. And I did a full review, which I'll link down below or somewhere in this video for you so you can check it out. But this one is supposed to be a lot better. My eyelashes, I'm hoping, are going to look like the model on the box, but we will see, because even though this is a PR package, if it's something that I don't like, I'm going to let you know. I'm very transparent and I let you know if things are worth the money, if things aren't. If you've been a follower for a while, you'll know that on my videos I'm very critical. Even if something is super expensive and it's really good, I'll let you know if it's worth the money. If something's really affordable but it's not very good, I'll let you know as well if it's worth the money. But it's one of those where you've sort of got to see what's the best thing for you, because if it's something that I don't like, you might actually really like it. So I like doing these types of videos because then you can see what it looks like on my type of lashes, and you can just see what it looks like and what my review is, because sometimes people have exactly the same opinions. So I'm really excited to try this out because I love a few things from Lancome. Their bifacial is the best eye makeup remover in the entire world, so I'm so happy that I have an extra bottle of this. And also the primer, I'm very intrigued to try out a primer as well, because I don't use a primer for my lashes. The mascara retails for £29, which is the same for all Hypnose mascaras from Lancome. It says extreme volume mascara. It also has 4.9 stars for their rating as well. You can get a travel size for £16, so if you want to try it out and you don't really want to buy the full size for almost £30, you can try one that's about half the size. It says on the website, achieve extreme ultra dramatic volume with the new Hypnose Drama most volumizing mascara ever for up to 17 times more volume, a formula enriched with 2% bonding complex, embracing lashes in care, and the iconic volumizing Hypnose Drama S-shaped brush. Ultra black intensity powered by onyx pigments and up to 24-hour wear. So this seems like it's going to be really good. It says it has kohl-like intensity, full-on drama for a gaze that captivates up to 24-hour wear, and it's also suitable for sensitive eyes and contact lens wearers, which is perfect because a lot of people do wear contact lenses, and some people like myself have very sensitive eyes. Sometimes I will use an eye product and I will have an allergic reaction to it. I've had that with a Chanel mascara before, and my eye just did not look very good and it wasn't the best. So I'm probably one of the best people to try out these mascaras because I have very sensitive eyes and my eyelashes aren't super long either. So it's one of those where you can sort of see how it goes and if it actually works out. So anyway, we're going to go ahead and try this out and see what it's like. I'm going to apply it to one eye, which is what I do with all of my mascara videos, and then we can compare it to the other side and see what it looks like. I've zoomed in and I'm ready to test out the mascara, and I love to zoom in so you can see exactly what the mascara looks like with each and every coat, because if you're from far away it can look really pretty, but then from up close it can look super clumpy. So we're going to go ahead and test it out. What I do with all of my mascara videos is I test it out on one eye. I do 1 coat, 2 coats, and then 3 coats, and then I compare it to the other side so we can see what the lengthening looks like, if it's clumpy and everything like that. I feel like that this is the best way to help people out on a mascara video, and I know that a lot of you guys have come back to me and said that it is very helpful to do it like this. So that's what I like to do, just so we can see what it's actually going to look like. Mascara brush is the same as what it usually is. It's just an S shape right here, and it looks quite clumpy in all honesty. So I'm hoping it's not going to clump my eyelashes, because the last one, I think that was very clumpy, but this one says you can build it up to 2 coats. I think I might do 3 coats or 2 coats depending on how it looks. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and try it out. I've just put a little bit of eyeliner on the rim of my eye, but yeah, we'll see. First coat is done and it looks actually really nice. It doesn't look like anything extraordinary. Now, it looks a lot better than a lot of mascaras that I've tried out, but it reminds me a little bit of the Tartelette tubing mascara, but I feel like that one gives me a little bit more length. I don't know, I do like it. I feel like it looks good for 1 coat, but I'm going to go ahead and do a second coat, and I'm going to try and get to every single lash and yeah, see if we can make this more volumized. Okay, so second coat is done and it actually looks very, very long. For some reason here I'm having an issue with my eyelashes. I think some of my eyelashes may have came out a while ago and they're grown very, very small. If you can see, they're very small compared to the rest of them. So I'm trying to make it so I don't have a massive gap right there. But yeah, they are looking very long. They are looking very clumpy though, as you can see. I feel like it's just a very clumpy formula, or it might just be because on this eye I have wispy lashes. I don't have many lashes at all. Yeah, I think I'm going to have an issue with trying to separate them. I feel like if it separated my lashes, then it would look much better, but because they're looking very clumpy, I don't know, I'm not really liking it. So I'm going to go ahead and do the bottom lashes. I'm not going to do a third coat because I feel like that this is very clumpy, and I feel like with a third coat it's just going to look even more clumpy. So let's see what goes on the bottom lashes. Okay, bottom lashes look absolutely amazing. Wow, yeah, my eyes look massive doing my mascara. So it does look very, very long on the upper lashes and on the lower lashes. I just feel like it looks very, very clumpy on the upper lashes, and that's just something that I don't really like. I feel like from far away it might look good, so I'll have to see what it looks like after I've done both of my eyes. Yeah, I don't know. I think it's just because here it's really putting me off. Yeah, I don't know. Yeah, it's alright. I'm not going to do a third coat because I feel like that it's too clumpy already. So I'm going to go ahead and do the second eye, and then I'm going to come back and show you what it looks like. I've finished off my mascara and this is what it's looking like. And this is such a weird mascara because there's things about it that I really, really like, and then there's things that I don't like about it. So as you can see, both of my eyes are very clumpy. This is only 2 coats, and it did say on the box that you can do 2 coats and it creates 17 times more volume. And in all honesty, it has created a lot of volume. Like, there is so much volume going on with my eyes, but it just clumps so much. And the fact that on this side and on this side there's patches where my eyelashes are very small, you can really see that, and it just looks like I have massive gaps in my eyes. So on this eye it's quite far towards the outside, and then on this eye it's towards the inside. It doesn't look good, but from far away it looks like my lashes are very, very long. I like the way that it went on the lower lashes. I feel like that it makes my lower lashes look massive, so that's a good plus point. No, I don't like everything about the mascara. I feel like if I paired this with a mascara that was separating, or if they gave this a different wand, then it would look amazing. Then it would look perfect. It would be the perfect mascara. But for me, I just, I don't really like it. I can't recommend this because it is so expensive, and I feel like for my lashes personally it doesn't really work. I feel like if you had very full lashes naturally, then this would work out really well for you because it does create loads and loads of volume. It just doesn't separate the lashes, and yeah, I don't know. I don't think this is a mascara for me. I am going to continue to use it to see if I can make it work because I do really want to pair this with a separated mascara. I also want to see if after a while it stops clumping your eyelashes and the formula changes a bit. So I want to see how that goes. But at the moment, I wouldn't recommend a mascara as is unless you had very full lashes. So if you don't have any gaps in your lashes, if you have loads of lashes, this would be amazing for you because it will make them look so long. But for me personally, I just don't feel like that it works well because I don't have a massive amount of eyelashes. I don't have super long eyelashes. As you can see, my lashes, I have patches where there are some short lashes, and you can definitely tell with this mascara. Now, there are 2 mascaras that I much prefer to this one. So I really like the Tartelette Tubing Mascara, that's one of my favourites, and then the Chanel Le Volume Mascara as well. Those 2 are my holy grails. The waterproof one is what I wore on my wedding, and it is waterproof. The Chanel one, it is so good. So those 2 I do really recommend. If you want to have a drugstore alternative, I do really like the Essence mascaras. I feel like that they are so good for their money, and they're like £5. Super, super affordable. And then also the Maybelline Lash Lift mascara as well is fantastic. So there's 4 different mascaras at different price points that I really recommend. And like I said, I think this is an okay mascara, but it is going to be probably your best friend if you have loads of lashes and if your lashes aren't sparse like mine. It's really sad because I was really excited to try this out because it is a new and improved formula, but for me it just didn't work out. So this is my review of the new Hypnose Drama Mascara from Lancome. If you've tried out this mascara, either the original or the new version, and if you like it or if you don't, just comment down below to let me know. And I hope that you enjoyed this video, and make sure that give it a very big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in my next video, guys. Bye.